So aside sa face mask, vitamins help our bodies kanang fight the also recommend antibacterial ointment for the blisters, for the lesions that will have on your body. Kay aside from the infection that is going on inside our body, um, we also need to prevent secondary infection on the lesions or the mga blisters nga naa sa skin. Kay lain na sa nang problema kay basta wound jud mapaning na jud ko or something opening sa kuan case, a lot of things can happen. So this is antibacterial ointment, pain relieving ointment. This was suggested by our auntie, and this was only available kuno sa US at the time, but I saw a supplier here in the Philippines in the Black account or Black app. Medyo pricey siya, but to consider kay this is already antibacterial at the same time would really help kanang prevent so much scarring, or can attest on this one kay this is last year's donor site nga ako rin nagamit ni siya a month after, then this one is 9 days after. Di ra jud ka iyang layo ilang healing. This is 4 months lang pa, and kuan na siya kanang flat ra siya, and then dali siya na ano. So you can I'll put the link, so something that you must have in this time, or even not this time lang yun nga na ay murag health concern, but this can be in your first aid kit. Maro to siya. Bye.